Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video in the Renault 5 Turbo series. Today's video, we're going to get all the rubbing down, all the prep sorted and get this ready for primer. And today we're going to dig a little deeper, pull the interior out, pull the carpets up and see if we can find any more rust. If you're new to the channel and you like learning about cars, salvage, spraying, detailing and all other related stuff, hit the subscribe button. Loads more content for you guys. Let's crack on. Right, let's get some tools, get this interior ripped out and start making some progress. So it turns out I pressed take a photo instead of film, getting the seats out. Seats are out, let's get the rest of the interior bits out. Oh no, we'll press record this time. Right, there she is, all stripped out, all the belts are out, all the interior trims and stuff, so I can get all in here now. We can get all this sanded down properly, sort all of this lot out. I don't know whether to drill them rivets out with them little window brackets or not, or leave them, not too sure. I'll make my mind up on that in a bit. I'm really chuffed under the floor, looks really well. It's had a couple of repairs over here and over in that corner. If you look at the inner seal is the part that runs all the way up the top there. The inner seal joins in both places. I'll take you around and show you the other side. So that inner seal all the way along is really good. This is an old repair in the floor. It just looks a bit, you know, shitty, but it's a solid plate there, and the same there. Looks a bit rough. I picked a little hole. You can see where it's been welded in now. That's all solid, but in the corner there's a little hole. So I'm probably going to sort that out there. What didn't help was that matting that's down there that come out of the footwell. In the driver's side, it is soaking wet. It had a puddle in here. With this door, the driver's door was damaged and bent out on the old door. Where is the old door here? 1 second, yeah. So this old door, mangled, it was all bent out at the top. I'm not going to be able to show you on the thing, but yeah, basically it was bent, so it wasn't sealing up. So rain and what have you was just pissing in. So whilst it was in my yard it was, and then obviously we're maybe from before or what have you. So, but yeah, overall, really happy. All the inside's good. So yeah, looking well. Right, I'm gonna get these repairs sorted, get this sanded down, get all the front done, all the screen, all the scuttle panel, get these door shuts sorted out, sanded down, clean up all the door jamb bit around the windows. I'm not gonna sand the lower bit, obviously I'm gonna cut that out. We'll get all the boot bit done. I won't fill the video up with time lapse. I'll make some progress. I'll crack on and come back and give you an update. See you in a bit. say, I'm using my new GoPro today with the media mod. Basically, if you don't know, GoPro, you couldn't use a microphone before, you had to get this adapter and so on and so forth. The new media mod, it's got a microphone built in. So leave us a comment, let me know what you think of the footage and let me know what you think of the sound. If it's no good, then I'll go back to my other microphone and my phone. So we'll have a little butchers. So yeah, leave us a comment, let me know. Let's get some work done. Here we go, guys. As you see in the time lapse, I've just got my mate to rip the engine out. The rest of the bodywork's pretty much there. All I've got to do now is get all this cleaned up, prep all the engine bay, stuff like that. I'm going to get rid of the pipe, clean all this up, jet wash it all out, get that all prepped in there. Get that ready. What I'm going to end up doing is doing the welding first before I prime all this up, I think, change of plan. Now the leg's out, I've checked all up in here. This is just this outside skin, so I'm going to cut that out, put a plate in. All behind here is solid, which is pretty good. I'll get the other bits and bobs sorted. I'll lift it right up now and we can do the seals and everything, and then we'll get that primed. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you ain't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, share the videos about, and we'll see you on the next one.